Yo, what is up guys, KosherTech here. So today, I'm actually doing a bit of a review and a little update. So I got these memory modules here for heat sinks. Now I have the Corsair Dominator RAM. Now this is from CableMod. This is their memory module kit. Now these are the black ones. They also come in multiple colors. Now I got these on Amazon. I'm gonna throw a link below. I got them for 35 bucks. Now that's 35 bucks for two. Now I got both of them, so yeah, let's open them up, guys. Let's check them out. Oh man. Oh. So you guys can see, these are the heat sinks over here. A little black shroud. It looks nice. I really like this look of it. Now we also have the colors here. We have orange, we have red, we have blue, and we have white. Now I'm gonna go with the orange ones, not the orange ones, I'm sorry, the red ones. They're a bit flimsy, plasticky things, but what should we do is we pop them right in here, and voila, they're gonna look nice. At least they should look nice. Let's pop them into the RAM, guys, don't you think? Let's rock and roll. So I'm back. So now what basically I'm gonna do is, now they give you a little Allen key here. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna unscrew these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to take out the aluminum shroud, and then we're going to put in, the idea is to put in this nice black one with these LEDs. Now just be careful, these are really flimsy, you know, very cheap plasticky, so they might crack. So really be careful with these LEDs, and then they're going to look nice and red the way I want them to do. Now I'm going to screw these off. So I managed to screw it off, and my goodness, the black looks so fucking beautiful. Look at this, the black and red is gonna look so nice, guys. Has this nice black matte finish. Now unscrewing them were a little pain. Now these little guys over here, just make sure when you unscrew them, make sure you just don't lose them, because I almost lost one of them. The unscrewing process was a bit tedious, but it was worth it at the end. I mean, it looks so nice. Now I'm gonna install it into the rig and see how it looks, guys. Well, there you guys have it. It looks amazing. The black looks really good. The silver really stood out because, you know, I was going with the black and red theme, but now the black with the red looks completely amazing, guys. I'm gonna drop a link below of where to get this product, the CableMod modding kit for the Corsair Dominator Platinum RAM. I'm gonna drop an Amazon link below, guys. As always, guys, keep it kosher tech. I'll catch you next time. Peace.